Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import data into a Google Sheets. So let's get to it. Here I have opened my spreadsheet and we're going to import data to the spreadsheet. So the first thing we have to do is click on this file option right here. Then since we want to import data, we can click on import. And you can choose either you want to import data from your Google Drive or you can also upload a file from your device. And I'm just going to upload a file from my device, and we can click on browse or we can drag a file right here, and I'm just going to click on browse. Then we can select the data from our device, and for example I'm going to select the data to be imported to my Google Sheet. So after that we can click on the file or the data, then we can click on open. Then wait guys. Okay, and we can choose import location. We can choose create new spreadsheet, insert new sheets, or replace spreadsheet. And I'm gonna go with insert new sheet. Then after that, we can click on import data. And right after you click on import data, the data will be imported to your Google Sheets file. Okay guys, and this is the data that I have just imported right here, and that's how we can import data into a Google Sheets. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.